name is Julia Mitnock. I'm Senior Sales Analyst here at Morgan Truck Body. What I enjoy about working at Morgan the most is certainly the people. Come across so many different types of people, just amazingly kind people who know their job, they do their job, and always very helpful. What got me interested in working for Morgan is family history. I am the third generation. My grandfather and father both retired from Morgan. Honestly, Morgan has fed and clothed me my entire life. I have grown up going to all the Morgan events and Christmas parties. I always admired my father's relationship with his coworkers. I wanted to follow in his footsteps. My years of service make me extremely proud, and they gave me the opportunity to grow my career over the last 30 years. I'm just super proud every time I see a Morgan Truck Body go down the road.